Okay, so check this out right over here. We are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on the Apple AirPods 4. That is a renewed that we're going to be doing a unboxing review and test on. And in this unboxing review and test, we're going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. So just like that, it comes with an instruction menu guide. If you want to learn more information about it, let's put this to the side. Right over here, we get our AirPods 4, which is right over here. It comes with the case that's right over here. So let's take that out right over here. And just like that, we are going to turn it on. And you can see that it needs charging. You can see it's at a yellow. So it's going to let you know, inform you, let you know, when it needs charging. Right over here is the AirPods itself right over here. So you could just take them out right over here. There's no right or wrong. So when it comes time to put it back inside, one goes here, the other one goes here. So this is for the left side, that's for the right side. So take it out just like that. And right over here, you can see how beautiful these AirPods are. Now it comes with the one button right over here where you can just like pause, for example, if you're like playing music or something like that. But other than that, there's no like buttons or anything like that. And just like that, you can see how beautiful these AirPods 4 are. But what we're going to do now is that I'm going to pair it up to my iPhone, and from there I'm going to let you guys know about the sound, the clarity, and the bass, because I know that is something that's very important when it comes to this. So without going further, let's put this to a test, and then I'm going to give you guys my feedback on how well these AirPods 4 perform. All right, so I just got back putting this to a test right over here, the AirPods 4. And one thing I do want to say is that this right over here is definitely a game changer to have in your life. And the reason why I say so is because there's a couple reasons why. Number one is that the fitment. Now, it really is very easy to put on, and it's also very easy to plug into your phone as well too. All you have to do is just wear them on, and the fitment, when I tell you guys, is not going to fall off your ear as well too. And right once I wear it on, it just plugs in. It's already in pairing mode onto my Bluetooth, so it's already active. That's one cool thing I love about it. So once I plug it in, it's just on there. It doesn't move around either. Like I told you guys before, I put this onto the gym as well too. I do like long distance running, treadmill, weightlifting, a lot of stuff that makes probably your AirPods could fall down. But so far I've been using it for a couple of days now. It hasn't fallen down at all either. And one thing I love about it is that the case right over here is also magnetic as well too. So let's say for example you are done throughout the day, you don't want to use them anymore, you just have to just put it in like that. There's no right or wrong either. You just put it in just like that. One goes here, and it's like a magnetic. It just clicks just on like that, and one goes right over here. Snap it on, just close the case, and it comes with the USB-C right over here to charge it up. That is sold separately, so you use that to charge it up right here. So it comes with the slot right over here. But other than that, I would definitely recommend these AirPods 4. And not just that, but also it's very easy to pair it up to your iPhone as well. You can see here, all I have to do is pull the tab up right over here, and you can see that it's in pairing mode. It even tells you the battery life as well. So it says 58% for the unit itself, and then it tells for each and one for the left and right side of the AirPod 4. One is at 92%, the other one is at, the right side is at 82%, and the left is at 92%. So it tells you everything that you need to know. And really, like I told you guys before, really easy to pair it up. And right over here you can see, and one thing I do also want to clarify is that the sound and the bass as well is really high quality. When I like the immense sound performance like you hear out of these AirPods 4 is really high quality. Like you can hear every single bass, and it hits perfectly. Now before I had the other Apple, the ones that are wired up, and those ones, it did not, compare anything as compared to the AirPods 4. The AirPods 4 is definitely a game changer to have. And, I've used this more than I use probably like my Bluetooth, the headphones as well. As you guys know, the headphones itself are, it gets in the way, it gets, makes you sweaty. These right over here is definitely easier, it's portable, it's lightweight, very easy to pair it up as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the AirPods 4 if you're looking for something to change your everyday lifestyle, and you're wanting to use it for the gym, for for running, for sprinting, or just just casual, you just want to have AirPods on to like listen to music, then I would definitely recommend the AirPods 4 because of the fact that it really has that immense sound performance, the clarity, the bass, everything hits right on the AirPods 4. And other than that, I am so far happy with the AirPods 4. It's definitely a game changer to have in your life. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something to wear every single day. Then the AirPods 4 is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.